Hello YouTube, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's been a minute. I promised y'all some goodness, some videos. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nieccee, simply Nieccee. On this channel you get the real, the raw, the uncut. You get just me, who I am, the things I like, the things I do, life and life, how it comes to me. And it's not sugar-coated or buffeted. So today I wanted to do a video. Actually, I fooled around, y'all, and met up with Makeup by Mesha. If you are familiar with her, she is so passionate about makeup and fashion, and I've had the opportunity to meet her. We literally live right around the corner from one another. I am super excited. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, first off, click that red subscribe button down at the corner. Go ahead, click it, click it, click it. It's cool. It's cool. There's no judgment. No judgment. Just click the subscribe button. You can get all the updates. Click the bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Also, if you are not following Makeup by Mesha, follow her as well. Because she gives you all the thrills and the feels, baby. So that's what today is. It's a surprise unboxing that I got from her. But first off, we're going to address the elephant in the room. Roll Tide, Bama girl. It's only right for a Bama girl to go with a winner. You know what I'm saying? Born and raised Alabama, Roll Tide. We don't lose. We don't lose. We don't lose. I'm just saying. But I wanted to bring something to you guys that I got from her. First off, I want to say, Mesha, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I can't wait for us to get together. I can't wait for everything that is to come. This collab, we're gonna collab on a couple videos. We're gonna tag a few videos. Okay, let me quit rambling. It's 2 minutes and 30 something seconds into this video, and I'm not gonna keep y'all here all night. So this is what I got today. You got to forgive the bag, because honey, I was excited. I was excited, child. I was excited. Like you didn't know. Like you didn't already know. You didn't already know what this was about. So I got this from her today. And it's that nice new packaging. And she hooked your girl up with the thrills and the feels. I peeked. I peeked with her. I didn't take it all the way out, but I did peek with her. So I'm just going to be honest. So I'm going to take off this ribbon. She gave me everything, everything, everything. I'm grateful and excited about it. It came with a receipt. Just your normal, you know. The Louis Vuitton receipt, receipts and what have you. So put that back in there. I've had one of these before, but it was in a different print. So I'm excited about this one. Very, very excited. I got my dust bag, the thrills and the feels, as she calls them. So what did I get? What did I get? Drum roll, please. Drum roll. It's the Monogram Speedy. And I got the 35, y'all. The 35. Oh my goodness. I got this from Mesha. She had a bandolier and she didn't need the extra one, and it just so happened that I was looking for one, and it worked out for both of us. I'm going to take, well, let's just do this first. Let's just pop it out. It feels amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. So, okay, here we go. We have these icy white handles here. Icy white. I like to call them icy white. So I'm gonna have to let them patina some. There's the tab. It looks good. Speedy has the LVs on the right side on one side, and it's one continuous piece all the way around. So they're upside down on this side. There's my Louis Vuitton made in France. Let's open it. There's the lock and keys. And the little pocket. No zipper on the pocket. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It's coming out both things though. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think it's just like the little textile stuff. Yeah. If you haven't guessed by now, this is a replica. I do have authentic Louis Vuitton bags, but I also carry replicas as well. I don't care. A bag is a bag is a bag. Sometimes I do the replicas because I get a feel for whether I want to carry a, purchase, invest into the authentic. So, but this one is a really good one. I mean, like a really good one. Mesha, girl. It's the interior. This one does not have a zip pocket. It's just a little slip pocket there. There's a date code there. And the D-ring is on the other side in true fashion. And it's just an open hole. I have a couple of bag organizers I could use to put in here. But I'm just gonna wait and see. I have a luggage tag I want to put on here, but I'm gonna wait until it patinas some. And there's the lock and keys there. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, because I'll be the one to fool around and lock my bag, and the purse, the keys be inside the bag. Bad situation. So that wouldn't be something I would need to do at this point. But overall, I love the bag. The only thing it was missing was a bandolier. But hey, it's a 35. I went from a 30. I was trying to downsize, and I just love big bags, honey. So now that I have this one, I should be able to keep things together so that things aren't so heavy to carry. So I'm excited. Thank you, Mesha. Thank you so much, honey. I'm so excited about us getting to know one another and hanging out together, and this lunch date with all of our YouTube sisters from our area. I'm just excited. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna relax. I just got off work, kick it with the family, come out this Judy, baby. Honey, I got to come out this Judy. I really, really do. I got to come out of Nieccee J. Blige over here, because it's time to let this hair breathe. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is definitely not the last video, but this one is definitely one of the first of many, many, many. Next week I have another one coming, and I have a BoxyCharm video I need to record. So I'm back, y'all. I'm back. And thank you for tuning. Like, share, and comment below any questions that you have. Do you have a Louis Vuitton Speedy? Do you have a Speedy? If so, what size do you have? And I'd love to hear what you carry inside of your Speedy. Like, share, comment down below, and I will speak with y'all on the flip side. Love y'all.